This Ram versus Durga framed debate is bogus because you're saying both these parties are hypocritical. I don't think you're going to get an answer straight from either of them on that. But Dr. Dastidar, ultimately this is a political campaign. Ultimately, there are many lofty things that can be said about ideology, the main issues, as Pavanji also said, that there's a reason why certain things are said during campaigns because there are not other issues. They are sticky, they have a lot of traction. Ultimately, would it be fair to interpret, madam, that the reason why the Jai Shri Ram, the Durga invocations are happening so much is also an acceptance by the Trinamool that there is some resonance for this. And the BJP is finding some resonance for this refrain and whatever surrounds it during this Rath Yatra, during the rallies, during the campaigning.
We've always been on the road. Trinamool Congress has always been on the road. Our leader, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, has always been a street fighter, fighting for the common man. So being on the road, we don't call them Rath Yatras. What do they mean by Rath Yatras? They are insulting the gods. Rathas were used by gods. They have been mentioned in the Ramayana and the Mahabharata, and now they think that they are themselves gods. And as to an answer to Dr. Halim here, you see, Honorable Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah, he himself has accepted that they had received support from the CPIM in the Lok Sabha election by means of transfer of votes. And as far as your question is concerned,
election is I'll just add to that. Shubhendu Adhikari is already declared from the BJP forum that in 2011 the RSS and the BJP supported, and you have another person who clearly mentioned that in 2016 the spokesperson of the BJP has said that the BJP had voted for the TMC to stop the left.
Okay.
So those
what
explanations
credibility
are
has
already
Shubhendu
there.
Adhikari got? What credibility has he got?
Well, for 10
he
years,
has left the party
10 years he
to
was with
save.
you.
No, we were not going to give him a nomination. That's why he's left. You please be informed.
That's a separate
What
matter.
credibility has he
That's
got?
a
He's changing
Finish
party
your point,
like he's
Dr.
changing
Dastidar.
clothes.
Yeah.
Dr. Dastidar, finish your point on the Rath Yatra, then I'll get Dilip Ghosh. Let us just finish your point, sir. Just finish your point on the Rath Yatra that you were mentioning.
I said that the Raths in our mythology, in our history, it has been seen to be used by gods and goddesses. So what does the Bharatiya Janata Party leadership think? They think they are themselves gods and goddesses. They can't even walk straight. To reach to the interior villages, they have to walk there like we normally do, Trinamool Congress. My leader, Mamata Banerjee, walks for 9, 10, 11 kilometers at a high speed to reach the common man.
So now
and they come with mechanized, superstar, with the 5-star facilities, 6 people only in what they call Rath. Actually, they are Toyota or Mercedes vans with all kinds of facilities. I don't want to go into the details.
Okay.
They are insulting the mythology. First they insult Devi Durga, then they insult the farmers. Now they are insulting other gods and goddesses by using
Dilip
the term
Ghosh,
Rath Yatra.
Ram versus Durga से Rath versus street fighter हो गया.
पहली बात मैं इसका प्रोटेस्ट करता हूँ, कोई रथ यात्रा नहीं, परिवर्तन यात्रा है. इन लोग परिवर्तन से डरते हैं. एक बार परिवर्तन करके लोगों को धोखा दिया.
वो पोलराइजेशन बोलते हैं कि
परिवर्तन, हाँ पोलराइजेशन बोल सकते हैं आप, मुझे आपत्ति नहीं, लेकिन हम परिवर्तन करने वाले इसलिए परिवर्तन यात्रा लगे. ये पॉलिटिकल यात्रा है. अब फुआद साहब बोल रहे थे कि इसका वोट किसका पास गया. पहली बार डेमोक्रेसी में किसी को वोटार समझ कर रखना बहुत बड़ी अन्याय है. और बंगाल के जागरूक जनता इसी ने कांग्रेस से सीपीएम से टीएमसी से बीजेपी की तरफ जा रहे हैं. किसी का खरीदा हुआ नहीं है. कितना भी परसेंट हो, कुछ भी हो, जागरूक जनता जिसको लगता है कि इनका कुशासन से समाज को निकालने के लिए हिम्मत है बीजेपी में, तो लोगों ने हमको वोट किया है. जब कांग्रेस से सीपीएम से इनके पास वोट आया था तो किसका था? किसी का खरीदा हुआ नहीं है. सरासर बंगाल की जनता को अपमान करना इस प्रकार बोलकर मैं इसका प्रोटेस्ट करता हूं. दूसरी बात है, यात्रा देश में जुग जुग से होते आ रहा है. पॉलिटिकल यात्रा बिहार में हुआ, अभी दूसरी जगह, हाँ किसी ने नहीं किया होगा, बंगाल में हमने शुरू किया तो हमको थैंक यू करना चाहिए. राजनीति में यात्रा ये जनजागरण का है. समाज के सामने हम अपना विषय को ले जा रहे हैं. डेमोक्रेसी में हर पार्टी का अपना अधिकार है समाज के सामने जाकर अपना विषय रखना. उसको इन्होंने हर बार रोकने का प्रयास किया है. पिछले बार गणतंत्र बचाओ यात्रा रोक दिया. इस बार इनकी ताकत नहीं हमारी यात्रा रोकने के लिए, इसलिए रो रहे हैं.